everybody, welcome back. It's Tash here. I am here today with a Tuesday video for my mint mongoose for the month of March. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do all things makeup. This is the only non-makeup box that I have so far, and I do really enjoy it, so I would love for you to stick around for this. Please, for those of you that are not subscribed, I would love if you would click the subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. It would make such a big difference. Without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump into the unboxing. And as always, they have sent it in this beautiful teal packaging. I know you guys are tired of hearing me say this, but I love the branding for Mint Mongoose. I do also really like their customer service. I have never had a problem with anything. I think they're great. It is, oh wow, I think around $14 a month for the monthly thing that I have, which is 3 items, typically 2 necklaces and earrings, although occasionally it will be a ring, a necklace, and earrings. They do have other levels. They have a $25 level that is 5 pieces, I believe, and they do have lots of add-ons. So there is a new t-shirt subscription with them and all kinds of other things. Please check them out. They are really great. Interesting enough, this month, something that's fallen out already is this cute little barrette. So it's just one of those clip barrettes on a pearl thing. I do think that's super cute. You could just put it in your hair, like right on the side like that. I do really like that. We'll leave that in for now, kind of keep it out of my eyes. It says, Magical Mongoose, happy 3-month anniversary. And so here's a thank you. It says that they are really excited. That's one other thing that I do really like about Mint Mongoose. They are always really appreciative. So super cool. A glass half full, and so that's the other thing that they do. They typically send a beautiful card, so on the front there is a picture, some kind of saying, something like that, so you could absolutely use it for art. And then on the back are the pieces as well as the inspiration for why they made this piece. So it says this month's set is inspired by the glass half full mentality. And so, of course, this is goes along with it. So let's go ahead and jump in. Again, love the branding. There's my beautiful Mint Mongoose with this teal or mint colored ribbon. And we're going to rip right into this. Maybe we're going to. Maybe not. Hang on. Oh, since I moved my knife. Oh, man. There we go. Okay. Again, they always package it really, really well in mint tissue paper. So you'll hear me ripping this open for a second, and then they package each one of their things in a bag with a little Mint Mongoose and an attached thing that says if you order more than $40 in different jewelry, you will get a box for free or an item for free. Receive your next box for free. Let's go ahead and open this. This is the necklace I can see. And let's pull this out and I will show you guys. One thing I really appreciate is they do have a little tab here that has multiple adjustments for how long you want it. And then the piece is just a very delicate sliding gold round piece. That's cute. I do like that. So just very, very simple. You could make it longer or you could make it shorter. I will do a close-up of this so you guys can see it. Again, glass half full. So that full circle there, appreciating that. We'll set that to the side. You can order your jewelry with them in gold, silver, or rose gold, I believe. I did pick the gold option, but I am thinking about changing to silver. I have quite a bit of gold now. It's time to make the switch, I think. Make the switch. Next piece is another necklace, and I can feel it is a nice one. Nice and heavy one, and this has quite a bit of parts. Let's get this all together and untangled. That is the other thing. I do feel like the quality of this is really, really nice. So you can see there's those circles with the half circle right there. That is a beautiful layering piece. It is a little bit longer Again, I'll do a close-up of this. I think that is beautiful. We'll set that to the side. And then last piece is typically earrings. So we're going to check these out and see what they look like. I will put them on. I am earring free right now. And let's check it out. And one of the other things that I appreciate is when they send a box. Oh, and it is beautiful. So it is the 3 that matches both necklaces. All of the pieces go together so that you can match them. So earrings go with both necklaces. You can wear either necklaces or you can wear both necklaces together, which I do appreciate. I haven't had any of these turn gross on me. You know, sometimes when you get fashion jewelry, it kind of smells gross. So that's what they look like from far away. I do like that they're a little bit longer, but they're not huge. I think they look very, very classy. Let's do a close-up real quick. And so here is a close-up of the earrings. I think they're gorgeous. They catch the light beautifully. I think that they're nice and long. I am going to reach over here and I will show you both necklaces. So the first necklace, again, was just this round piece right there. Very, very simple. Then the next piece was the more complicated or the more ornate piece, which was the 4 round gold pieces with the half round right there. Again, beautiful to wear with these earrings. I love that they match right there. I think that's gorgeous. So that is my mintMONGOOSE for the month of March. I am catching up here and getting all caught up on all of my boxes. I know that my BoxyCharm, it will be here soon, so we'll get that up as soon as I can as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Drop me a line with what you thought, and also, are there other jewelry boxes that y'all get that you really, really love that you would like me to try? Please drop me a line, say hello. Thank you so much for joining me and watching my video. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!